These types of videos are called reaction videos, and you can post it on every social platform like YouTube, Facebook, or other platform that you want if you want to monetize it. And we've seen a lot of people are doing it, they are succeeding. Others too are doing it, but they are not making nothing from it because they are doing it in the wrong way. Every social media platform allow reaction video, but it depends on how you create it or you edit them. So this video right here, I'm going to show you where video edit them, add your own features onto it that will let the system allow you to post it as you not get any copyright issue from this content. Then you post it on every social media platform like YouTube, Facebook, or TikTok, and then I will show you some content that are getting a lot of comment, a lot of views. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and then let's jump to it. If you want to create content, one thing is you'll be patient. You don't rush for the money, the trend to get a lot of views, because it's a system or a platform, and this platform YouTube boot, that's what we call algorithm. The algorithm works in the way that the content that you are putting in, they take their time to figure out the type of niche or the type of content that you are posting, so that they will start pushing you outside. Then the other thing is you need to be consistent. Consistent means posting regularly, and posting regular doesn't mean posting anything just like that, but posting quality content that drive people to watch, content that people like to communicate or comment and direct. So if you're putting this content, it helps the algorithm find out your video very fast and then push it to a large audience. Not just posting anything just like that. Post 3 times a day. You post in the morning, post in the afternoon, then you post in the evening. It helps the algorithm pick out you, and then what? They start showing you out to a lot of people. When we talk of posting consistently, it means don't post from different niches. Example, today you post from sports, the next day you post from finance, the next day you post from social experience, and just like that, the algorithm will not understand you. The platform that you are using will not understand you to show you out to people. But if you take your time and you pick a certain niche, so if you understand all these things, it helps you grow very fast on social media platform. And before we go in and pick our niche or type of content that you can post on social media that will drive a lot of traffic, the first thing is you need for content that are much trending and people love to comment, to communicate to. Content like sport content, entertainment content, educative, all this stuff drive a lot of people to keep watching your video to the end. So when you are picking, you look for these things. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Let's get to the screen. This is where you can find or get some of these videos. And TikTok, I search for reaching message. This is the type of content that I want to use to create these videos. If you look at here, we have a certain pastor reaching out here, and if I scroll down, we have so many pastors with their messages. What you will do is that you hit on the kind of video that you want to post. Let's say this is the type of video that I want to post, and this is the kind of platform that posted this video. So go into that platform and then go and search for and look for the kind of content this platform is also posting a lot of videos right here. Then you follow this page and then go in for another page you are interested in. Then you follow that page too, because that's where you're going to get your messages from. If you know a certain person that you want to use his or her video, you can search for that person too. Then you get his or her video. You can go also into Facebook and do the same thing and get your videos from Facebook. So now you have got the video that you want to use. This is the time that you need to show yourself or prove yourself so that the system will not have issue with your video. It comes different ways. Someone may like to just record him or herself, just one video or two video, and then use it for all. Then someone also would like to add a video while the video is playing, then he'll be on the system watching that video. So how they do it is that you need to get two devices. You open your camera, you sit in front of the camera, then you open the other phone, then you start playing that video on that device. While the video is playing, I will be watching the video here, and then the camera will be recording me, and then they later added them together. So I will show you how you can do that one. Others also prefer to use a screen recorder, else he will be recording playing the video on one device, and then the recorder will be live. If you don't have, just plug in or put in your camera like how I'm recording, then you sit in front of your camera. You may not doing nothing, watching any video, but you act like you are doing something. If you're posting a video about preaching, you don't need to dance. You need to show some emotion that you are listening to something. So that video, you can record it just once and you'll be using it for most of your videos, right? So I will show you how you can do some of them when it comes to the recording. Okay, so let me show you how you can bring these things all together to get your video and post it. If you look at my screen here, I have a downloaded video. There's 1, 2, and then I have my recorded video. But if you want to know how to download this video, because of YouTube, I've put the process on Telegram. So go to the Telegram page. So this is the video editor that I'm using. For me, I'm using Camtasia. It depends on you. You can use CapCut. So now I just imported the videos right here. So this one of my first recorded. So the first thing is I'll just drop that video to my timeline. There is a voice on it, so let me go in and silence. So I don't want to do this. And this is the video that I'm going to react. Let me copy that one too, and let me bring that one to the timeline. If you look at here, this one is longer than this one. Can just bring another one, the same video. I will silence it, then cut it to fit the same size of this video. So this is the first one, or the video that I'm reacting to. So let me resize it. I can bring it down or just show it right here. And then my main video, that's what my recorded one, that will let the system know that I am the owner of this video, is here. So let me go and play it. Okay, it is a preaching message that is preaching. If you look at what I did, it means that I'm listening to something. So you can do this one. Okay, you can edit your video in this way, just very easy and simple. This video, you can add something to the video to change the view here so that it will look different. For me, I say I'm using Camtasia, and Camtasia is different. We have some editing styles in Camtasia, so I can choose the spotlight here and bring it here. So you see it has changed something on this video. When I post it or someone see it as a different video, but the same video, you can add a song or you can add something to it. That one, if you are posting it on YouTube, just go to YouTube Studio and download any audio that you want to use. So let's look at the other method that you can use to edit your video. If you look at this one, it seems like I'm doing or performing something. What I will do is just go in and grab my video. So I'm using this video. I can use it to cover myself. Maybe you don't want people to see your face. You see, I've covered it all over myself. And if you look down, I'm doing something. I'm not just sitting idle, I'm doing something, but they are not seeing me. So you can use that one. Or you don't want this face to show, but you want your own self, just like you just need the audio. Then I'll delete the audio. I'll still have the access to the audio. So I've deleted the video. I'll still have the access to the audio. Whilst they are playing, you can see that I'm performing something, but the person, which is the preacher, the face is not in, but I'm still hot. That one is you are using the audio section, right? And then there are another ways that you can edit the video. So you see there is a voice here, so not this one. So if you look at this one, it means I'm following everything. I use different devices. So I recorded it when playing the video, and then I acted when the video is playing. Okay, so look at it, right? Okay, so I acted when there is something that I need to react to. I need to show something here, then I do it. So once you are done, you just go to export. I go to export. I name my video. Let me say preaching video, then I hit on enter. So this is how you can edit the video, very easy and simple. And once you have get everything done, now is when you are going to post it on social media platform. And when you are posting it, some of the videos, you see the creator will add his or her logo onto that video. Don't download that video, and don't also put in a video with the platform logo. Like TikTok, you see the TikTok logo under that video. So that's why I said check on the Telegram channel and get how you can download a video without any watermarks from it. And after you have done, when you're posting the video, you can give credit to the person where you're getting the video from. Okay, if you have a specific channel or page that you are getting the video from, make sure each of your video you write video credit, then you add the person name. When the person get or figure out that you are posting his or her video, he will not do anything. But if you go in posting without giving credit to the person, sometimes they start against you, right? And then at times, to make sure you add an audio under that video. When you are posting, you can add an audio and stuff. So this time I would say stay away from sport video, because the copyright issue under sport video is not easy. If you want me to create a video on that, on how you can post sport highlight and stuff, let me know in the comment of this video. I will show you or create that video for it. If I get about 50 people that recommend that one, I'll post a video under that one. And for YouTube, if you have a very good quality thumbnail, you can make it from it very easy and simple. Be patient, always be active, take your time, follow the instruction we give, then you will start monetizing your page or your channel. Thank you for watching. If this video add value to you, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share to others also to enjoy.